This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Annamalai University enrollment number. First, locate your original application form or the admission letter you received. Your enrollment number is typically printed prominently on these documents, often near your name or other personal identification details. This is usually the quickest and most straightforward way to find the unique identifier assigned to you upon your admission to the university. If you cannot find your physical documents, the next step is to check the official Annamalai University website. Navigate to the student portal or the admissions section. You will likely need your application number or registered email address to log in. Once logged in, your enrollment number should be displayed on your student dashboard or profile page, usually within 24 hours of your admission confirmation. Should online methods prove unsuccessful, do not worry. You can directly contact the university's admissions office for assistance. Prepare your full name, date of birth, and any application reference numbers you have. You can reach them via their official email address, which is usually found on the university's contact page, or by calling their dedicated helpline during business hours, typically between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Always keep a record of your application details, including any reference numbers and the email address you used during the application process. Your enrollment number is crucial for all future academic and administrative interactions with Annamalai University. Double-check all official communications from the university, as this number is often included in important notices. Keeping these details safe will save you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.